Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take, and go do what you do. If it's first time watching, subscribe. We have plenty more to come for the new year, so we'll just try and make it out of this year. After the storm and the hurricane must be a calm, and must be a reason why we not have to explain reality of life. Watch out, watch a movie.
Can we get back to Jamaica? The real Jamaica rock. Jamming and jamming and jamming. Bring back the Jamaica love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much people swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Either you be a Christian, you be a thug, you be a man that are rocking in the club. Just do what you do and do right. Do what you do and do right. And I tell you from the first night, remember the Jamaica that we love. Remember the Jamaica that we love. Remember the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth just so swimming in blood. Remember the Jamaica that we love. Remember the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. You ever see the girl them on the TikTok? Girl them click clap. Beautiful ladies, want beautiful money to beautiful babies. The pressure's too high for us. It's too hard for us. We don't know who to trust. But please just bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Fast car, big bike, big house, acres of land. Our name is way up while you does it in the sand. Lord, I don't understand why so much separation. Bring back the Jamaica that we love.
Come on there, son. Come on there.
Go on, daddy.
You're good, sir.
Yeah, man, you know, say, a woman you have to run more than me.
Oh, you have a woman out in the street, yeah?
Yeah, daddy.
Me never see her again.
No, sir.
Bring her come, man. Me pass she there.
She the right to prove that, son.
Ah, so go for her and bring her come now.
Alright.
Are your sister? Me come pick up some money to buy some for she because her mother has send down money for her.
Oh,
Buy some for her. I don't talk about money for her.
Oh, yes, sir, you go there.
Yes, some of them, man. Go on and forward. Yeah, man.
Daddy.
Nice to meet you. You're good, though.
Tell me.
Yeah, man. You look, are you mother-in-law this? Anyway, nice meeting you anyway. Look like the one on face, you know.
Yes, bad, daddy. But she don't go listen to her, I'm father, you know.
Yeah, man. Sound good, though.
Yeah, man, I'm for yard, I'm for go.
Alright, so I wanna go now. Wanna go for yard?
Yeah, I'll go for yard.
Go and walk, mommy. No, you, come on there. Go and walk. You will catch your back. Here. You will catch your back.
But you don't know what we're
No,
doing.
no walk too far, but go a little further, but not go too far. Come on there, come on there. This is one here, I just see as I go and par with that one here.
No, I'm a personal woman this
No,
time.
go, me talk, man. Go on, up. Me don't understand. Go on, me talk. Me wait for somebody. So you look like you know follow my footsteps.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Call up for you there. Yeah, my phone kinda I go lock off, you know, because there are 2%, so I'm gonna plug on it on charge and make it get some charge and call it back soon on charge. Yeah. Alright, yeah, love Zoe! How long you take up my charger?
See it here.
Girl, give me the charger. How much time tells you that? Don't go in the room, go check it out.
So what when you are taking things out?
Make your father and your mother buy you one charger. You see my lunch money and buy one charger. Don't trouble my charger again. Don't do that. Who bad man? For me one of things.
But me and your little sister, me not no charge, I must have money to charge.
Buy a charger and then get money to go to school. Save your lunch money. And buy a bigger father and buy you one charger. Now come back in my room, man.
How long it is?
12:40, me away for you from. And I know you just reach.
When me reach, me late but me reach.
Anyways, I'll be that call. Because I do one new song from here, but I don't want you to listen it. But you see, because this morning me I wash plate and put the phone on the counterpart. And I don't know what me I do. And then me I put up the plate. I put up the plate them in my cupboard. And my hand go bounce and lick the phone growing and I want to see the speaker part now.
Hold on, look. So how you are going to mention to me, boy, you want me to finish a song? And your speaker now work?
Girl, because me did that, it's speaker now work, but when you put it like earpod or then something, you will hear it. But then I don't carry earpod come, but then my sister gonna walk and lock up in your room because you have an earpod.
Earpod. You know say, my brother have one headphone over there. Yeah, me can go for you to look at me well while listen to some sound like it bad.
So when I tell about something, you never bad.
Now I'll go for it and come back. Now move, you know.
Better. Now you see me turn up from a
You see my brother now, my brother not too like when me troubling things, then you know, but I show more and listen to me, I will go for the headphone. So you can mash up and you want much of cut like a strike. We are palm and this will come back. Lord God. I got this for myself today. I have to go angry this week here right now. Jesus Christ.
You see? That's all I have to take.
If you go and take time walk, because if you drop this and mash you, you never kill you. Come hold on for this. Oh, take time and hold it. Take it again.
Yeah, let me take today.
Yes.
So you know, working on this again.
Come back in and say, hold on, take time. Let it go no man.
So you're gonna like say a baby.
You don't really know for this. Come connect it to my phone. Connect it no man. Hold on, let me say it. Let me now put you over my head.
Put your ears.
Hold on. Come go on.
When you connect.
Alright, you connect you now.
Okay. Put your ears on soon.
Yeah. They say, hey. I'm bad to them again. Bad. Let me have to start teeth me brother something. That's what I know that fine. Where's Sammy? I'm friend there, so.
I want to get that headphone inside.
I'm a friend headphone. You know, sister, she have it.
I say.
Oh, because you may have one just like that, you know. You're sure?
No, man, I don't feel this one.
Yes,
My
sure.
father travels him by Yankee County.
So why you touch up the girl things like that? Remember you don't like when people touch your things then?
No, you're right. But I tap my top card to me see it and you know me have one. You don't know from one?
Yeah, man, I know for you one.
Oh. So anyways, daddy done a yard?
No, so you see when my dad left out the yard in the Ghana walk.
Oh. On the road, me I go still, you know, so if rain come, I have some clothes for me while you're over here. Take them up for me.
Alright.
You alright?
Yeah, me alright.
Alright, later.
No mash it up. You know. Me not left with it. Take off. Carry go on. Me I go disconnect you. Come disconnect you. Me I go put down a yard.
I'll put up your back. Remember for the circle back I say no? And if you don't see it, come back me way.
I have to see girl and body road man things that for me for me. So my sister can fold up my clothes and just throw them down top of the bed. Sis, give thanks to take up clothes and off wire for me, you see?
Yes.
And sorry for you deal with us up on the road, both head from Cambridge. Back home, you realize I never feel me.
Right.
See, alright though?
Yes.
You eat something? Please. I have something, I come. The headphone where you have what here? I know my sister bring come here for you.
Yeah, because we did have one song to make sure listen, but because she phone did up in the water, so but I never mean you have there, I use it.
Hey!
Our
Should I tell me say, I pick up here the first time. You know something here phone mash up? No work! You know how much money we pay for it?
but I don't mean you come because your sister?
You don't see her for there?
No.
I'm going to listen music front of me when I'm here. Me I hear and be all of this, all of that. Nah work. Like when I'll drop you or something.
I must say sister drop you because we didn't have you never drop you. I must drop you when she like carry over or something.
Alright, yeah, go on. Thanks to tell me, you see?
see and anytime I see you come down here and some come down here and look for you.
Oh. You know, so I just see your brother a while ago too.
Where?
He walk gone down the soap.
You know what?
He got asked me about the headphone girl.
You're not telling say me.
Brother, I didn't after him and a bad me up. So I must have it.
You're informer.
I'm not inform my brother, but if you know your brother a bad me, I have to tell him. He
You
tell me about how he sitting and walk.
Jesus Christ.
You name Jappy?
Japwa.
You-
Are you mash up phone do it?
Oh.
Your old block speaker where you have in your phone do it.
But I never mean send the earphone and you say, you want to listen to
You see
music?
anything when me go back up a yard. I go buy back, you know.
And me a buy
your
back.
phone all, you know.
I don't mean buy back.
So how the phone be connected?
And my phone is connected, yes, but me make sure say, me tell you say don't drop
Until
it.
where you grab the headphone from me too.
Me never grab it from you, you should be in my hand.
Me never show it. Me say take it nicely. You said sound grab it.
Me never grab. Me say, no, I'm not going to go from business. You better go on up your yard and go make sure say your brother no reach out there before you.
Jesus Christ. You know what you know. I go tell you say.
So you say I'm not when you want to do a post or something, you go bounce off it or you go drop and you go mash up.
And you tell him say me lend you hit.
Yeah, bro, but you can't tell lie.
But you inform already say me lend you hit. Next time not ask me back for nothing. Do. Not ask me back for nothing.
Me never ask you for that. Me tell you
One.
say call listen music and you tell me about and me mention the headphone here. You say,
Go on.
Go buy a butter bread.
Oh, camera, nobody have turn now. Come here. Where do you think you can do? And where do you think you go?
Up my yard, me I go.
Where you going to my house to take out my headphone for?
Me?
No, me.
Christ, are you ready to tell
Come
life
on,
for me
carry
now?
with that money bike home today. Where you going to my house to take out my headphone for go give your friend? And now my headphone mashed up in our room.
Me?
No, me.
We never go in a prayer room go take out no headphone. So anybody tell you that I'm
We see a friend a while ago and she finally speak the truth. Say, are you bring a headphone come give her. Where you do that for? You gotta look, Zoe, you gotta look for your bigger brother and tell me say you don't do it when a friend don't tell me say you do it.
Alright, yes, me take out the headphone. I can't want bad music come out, you know. I'm gonna listen it, but I see my friend here have all piece of speaker and phone there. And he couldn't hear 3 speakers, so I just copy headphone.
The
But me care back headphone, make deal with it with care.
the bad music the way you listen to go call someone bad piece of money come want back my headphone and you have to go buy back or you ask your father for money to buy me back. You know how much money me pay for?
No?
You see you look on the road. You see you look on the road.
I could tell that.
What you think your father can do when me tell him say you disobey, you're not here. You feel here, that boy in my room. But take all my things them. Well, I'm open the yard. Who open the yard? Come on.
Hello. Your brother and your big brother, right? I don't want you going around and troubling things. I don't know it's so hard to hearing. I am going to take you off, you know. Anything I tell her if you not touch, you touch. I'm going to get the same thing. Your brother having things them when we work hard and buy. So you mash up in headphone one day, me have to buy it back.
I never mean.
Did you trouble it out of the house? Yes, you take it out because you look a friend tell me say you take it out of your house. Right? So you must be more considerate, man. When you have your things them, and me get 10 more people and then come and trouble your things, you will see the difference.
I will pop there, man.
And you see,
Hello. Good day.
Go on inside. You don't move there, because I have to talk to you faster. You see, when I see I son I come with such a big woman. You could have been my woman. The age you're depend. Because you know look like you want to pick me, you know. My youth, if I breed some young girl and now and I'm bringing some grand pick me to take up my foot. Right? When you have a big woman like you don't want to pick me. You only use him. You understand? And like say, you're rich. You're not rich. So we could have look past you take some of your money and go use to buy some surrogate. Surrogate, I don't know the word, but you know what I mean. We buy some young girl for breed for him, then make it no matter how it them come. But the them need to come. So if you plan to give him some pit name, I don't think so.
Me tired of you talking now. You cannot choose for your son.
Me not choose him.
And you can't tell me who me fit there with neither. Me tell you know what?
Listen up. Be just considerate, man. I raise a youth.
I don't want to consider no old you. I don't want to consider no at all. Rasta man.
In there one night, the young girl, you know, me don't know how you get the young girl out of here, you know. And fit in yourself, you know.
What kind of Rasta man you be? You just up in me and your son business.
Me not understand it. Me not understand it.
Dave, which part of it?
Oh, that God.
You run in your room. See me hear your father out there so disrespect me.
Me not disrespect you, you know. Me not disrespect you.
Yeah, hear me in the background.
Me say me not disrespect you.
Him out.
Me like tell you say you look a bit too older.
You can't tell me who me for the like
no,
the
me
age
not say,
group,
me
and
not
that he mean. They tell me about you're too young. Where are they?
Me not say you
right,
can't give him a little piece,
you're
you know.
Alright, you know.
But no black.
If me can't there with you, you wouldn't find no fault.
Me no find no fault.
Yeah, but me no want there with you.
Find no
He's
fault.
a Rasta man, he's a ballad.
Why? Me no know. I don't understand. I don't understand it. Yeah, me not understand. Still not understand what really I'm going.
Hey, what?
Me can't take your father talking them, you know. I can't go like he want to choose you, you know. You don't know something older than you when you just meet me.
So you must know. Babe, where else? You go talk to me, even.
Why go on now, son?
When you see a woman from make you know say me younger than her.
No, that man. Me show you something. I tell you, you know. So if you get the younger girl then, because what you know? Oh, you gonna get youth from a big woman like that. She don't have her picking married. She don't want to know. She said she want to pick me?
Daddy, you don't need to know that. Daddy, be wise up now, Daddy.
No,
what you
but
do with them a young girl?
No. Me want you turn up and down in the yard. If you keep her but you still have to go bring some out there, right? Some different young girl out there.
Daddy, me realize that every woman will bring coming in a yard. You have a problem.
You will go on. Me not pick for you, you know. Me not pick for you. You look a sister. Can't be the one to carry the youth them come in the yard. You know. Me I get older and I want some grand pick in the yard there, you know. You understand? Because for raise, you know, me done with the getting some girl pregnant. But you see, if I don't do it, I put on back my shoes and go back out in the road and start get bail her. Pin your barn up here, and I get two young girls and start breed up here then, you know. Because I think I used to start do it now, you know. When me a few age, you know. I gone 5, pitting already, you know. You know, see them and most of them they are foreign, your brother and sister them are foreign. When me young like you, me get them one day, I want to come afterwards.
Daddy, me understand, but them a young girl and me can't take them a stress. Better me have a big woman in my life.
Alright then. Keep a big woman if you want, but you still have to try to get one young girl who can breathe out the road then. Me go mind if the picnic if you can't take care of the picnic, but me I tell you, we need some grand picnic in the yard. Alright, go and do what you do. Because I don't have time for that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, she don't look bad though, you know. She don't look bad. But me I say she can't breathe. You know. You know you go? Alright.
Daddy.
Alright. Oh. Good. You learn, you know? Yeah. I like how you do it now. But even now, before you go check your friend, wash up the plate then. So when I come back after I want to cook. But one thing I like how you learn. Every morning you that make some bam, go on your friend, no brush your teeth or nothing. But now you start brush your teeth, but no more you learn to get up in the morning, do something in the yard. Either you wash the plate or rake the yard. Your brother rake the yard already for morning, so you know so that's out of the way. I would get up early and rake the yard because the yard is easier to rake than wash the plate. But you know, you say it, so your brother get up every morning and rake the yard, so I can't even do two of them. You understand? So what you go on now? I am gonna make him set the water for you. Right? And you wash up the plate them. We have a new pack of fab in the house. So you take it out, you bust one little beanie, old panny and drizzle out some outside. And I don't want you to keep it outside for the neighbor come back with none of the fab. Kind of time to see have big old things them a come back. Alright? Alright. I'm gonna tell your brother. Oh boy, I have to go. Yeah, not look so bad still, but I'm try. Tibe!
Yes, Daddy.
Forward there. I see you do one look raking, not too bad. When you see them slippers there,
Yes,
we go want you dash them from the front of the yard. You don't have to do it now.
Alright.
But what we want you deal with first, we go make your sister wash the plate then this morning. We can't make she grow so we can't at all. So, we want you to full some water. Make she get to wash the plate them because they depend them heavy. You understand? We don't want child services pass and she carry one big old heavy something and you know how the system go already. So just pull the water for you up at the plate stand and make she wash some plate. Alright?
Daddy. Daddy.
Wait on, before I left, I have to ensure so it's a wash out properly because I know say when the kids when we just dash water at night and make it turn the same way much. When you sick and you have to carry that, although you're a big boy, big man I carry the girl still, but you know where you go, you live here. Choose my water and this. Come pull up that as a rinsing one. She know about the fab, them I tell her about the fab, just full up here, put some water, want some water in that.
Alright.
Hurry up, put on. Alright.
Yeah.
Zoe!
So, Zoe, what do you think about the big pack of fab for?
Because I'm boring one little and it tear big.
Jesus Christ. You don't know say Daddy we cuss.
I want to do this now. Why the bag tear so? I not everything want to look part off of the bag.
It takes time tear but it tear big.
Ah boy, if you have sense, so they grew up.
I make you never wash the plate.
Who for wash plate? I see me wake up here this morning.
It not to look like the place I'm wash good enough. I'm sure it's something to wash the plate them, man. You have to scrub the plate them, you know. I don't want you to deal with them light.
Daddy have time and show him, look how much years now and months now you show her wash
But
plate.
you see when it's small and I don't want to do it, I don't do it good. And I so come then the parents them do it for me. So after that you do, after you put for me,
No, that.
you better make sure you know how watch out. You have to rub the food them out tight. I want to eat the food, I want to put in the water. See it there. Make sure the plate then clean.
Daddy, I'm telling him so when he eat out time plate to wash it.
Listen, I share the deal with the yard and you deal with the plate them.
Yeah.
Soon you have to deal with the cooking because you're a woman, you have to learn how to cook.
Learn to cook for real. Cook food. And
Alright.
wash plate. Remember to wash your plate them good enough.
$500.
I'll take that one, pick up the
today, I did have come call come.
You know, see me wash up my dirty plate then.
So we have few paper, your brother not in the yard.
You sweep it out so me have to wash the plate there. Anyways, when we don't wash the plate, then we come up the corner.
Alright. But don't take long, you know, because last time you take long. That's why your brother earphone did mash up. Because it take too long.
And you are informer one. One, I make me wash my plate then good and don't hurry me. I wash up my plate then. You wash your plate then for morning?
Long time.
Done.
You know, girl, you know, you have me saying, say, somebody tells me you're looking for a girl like me.
Yeah, but I don't know who like it. You know, it's a fuck, right? So you're ready, you pick that one. Come. Fine.
I don't know internet, so what do swing?
Put it for back on my ready. So look at that camera. Ready. Go. So.
Someone told me that you...
I know me have to look for, bro. In the camera you have to look. Ready.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know.
Catty laughing, look.
No, bro, but then we eat another part there, isn't it, you know?
Go on. Ready.
Someone
Wait.
told me-
Yo, where you gonna start?
Anybody have like-
Ready now, ready.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know why you're looking for a girl like me.
Come on. Catch you back now. Come back.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know why you're looking for a girl like me. Looking for a girl like me.
Come now. You ever there see people from afar? You don't
Come
block
here.
his eyes. Come again. Ready. Becoming ready.
So good.
This is singing song.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me. I don't know why you're looking for a girl like me. Looking for a girl like me. Looking for a girl like me. I don't want that.
How are you going?
Man,
Hmm?
no, I look at one of the TikTok.
want TikTok channel.
No, make me spoil the fun. Sing or not sing.
What's this song, don't I?
No, sing it back. Me name there if you hear it. Sing it back. Sing back the song.
What thing you don't I? No, I see you.
No, me no want to see no video. Sing back the song.
Ready?
I don't know what I call.
No, that's you. Anyway, back over there.
Go on.
Someone told me that you're looking for a girl like me.
Yeah, bad part, no,
I
me
don't
daddy.
know why you're looking for a girl like me.
Hello. Come go down in the yard. Can you text and lick you down? You know, come go down in the yard. You see? I'm going to cut off a friendship with you and I. Because when you hear sing say Jesus love is bubbling over and Jesus up on the telephone.
But we
Tell him
pass the stage.
you can't pass the stage there. You're still there at the little stage. Why you attempt to pass the stage there? So you have the things already?
No,
You're out the road.
no.
You're a big woman. You pay bills. Eh? She I got school and you got school. You no pass the stage there.
But we're in a high school.
We no matter which eye, you see they're in a school same way. So you go learn how to live. You ever know, you say pass them stage here. Watch out. Hold the phone.
But sir, for me, phone.
Yeah, me know sir for your phone, but tell your mother to come take it from me. Because
My mother not there here.
me no ma anyone of your auntie or anybody send them come for the phone because what I do, somebody need to know.
But sir, you don't like if somebody big gun pass and take a for your daughter phone.
Yes, as long as she do the wrong thing, take away the phone when me can know what I do, what she do. We go look on the phone and then we go judge you.
Alright.
Tell the auntie me come lick me. And then I get out that aunt. Yo, now tell you something, you know. I promise you, I'm tell you, say, once you reach certain age, I'm not going to beat you. But you get out of hand. Check up this a while ago now, the great man that have get out of time. But me I start then. You reach the age of Jamaican reason. You see, certain content is not for you. You better you sing the song the R-U-S-E-P-E-C-T or respect. That one there.
Auntie!
Pardon?
Money.
You alright, baby?
No, me no feel alright. You remember my friend and me, we want girl when they live up the road. Then at the outer road and our father come take up my phone.
Take away your phone?
Yes.
Why you take away your phone for?
I that me want know too. Just because I talk about how me influencing that and somebody. And me I tell him say I just want video me and the girl I make.
Hold on, what kind of video you and the girl did I make?
One TikTok.
So him take her phone too?
No, cause she never carry phone and me, my phone she died.
So hold on, tell me something. I him buy your phone?
I that me want know too.
I'm not even put it down properly. Come. Me want know mine, you know? You never did a rank with him?
No.
Alright, me want know this.
I have a great man to give to out of this, you know, but I promise you, seminar lick your carry a certain age, I go put on the rod, but still not spoil the child. I go teach you something. It's the big people things you don't need to deny. No more want a little girl I tell her about to sing certain song. If you teach her to sing Jesus on the telephone, tell her what you need. Jesus love is bubbling over. Good old Emmanuel Road, Blackstone, them cultural something there. You know what I mean? Yes. I know thief, Sammy thief, make them kill him. You know them type of something there. Roll, Jordan, roll. Certain song on the phone, no. Right? So, I'll give you a pass on that, but next time, you go be judgment. You see, you couldn't even watch you play them. Me have to help you watch you play them. Them see if you study. Yeah. Regardless of what, you bust out all the fab bag. And you know so that a wages. It's easy for that show now. I tell you for the stew and look part of it. But anyway, warn me, I warn you. Where your brother there?
If you not run a room, you live on the road.
Anyway, there are some things for dealing now. Later.
Alright.
I up this yard him live?
Yeah.
Mine, you know. Before me go to him, make sure you tell me the truth.
But my auntie, when I lie to you,
What you did do and what you said to him?
me and that I did there, I make the TikTok video in come and I talk about how me influence in that and about the way me I try him say I want TikTok video me and I make. When I don't go down in the yard and say, tell me auntie, uncle, brother or sister if you come for the phone. Because if me have accidents in the phone, you want phone talk to somebody big female or something. So because the wrong phone down here, I'll tell you.
Make sure the truth, you know.
Truth.
Anyhow we find out Santa so you go. Me and your backside. Come. Hello. Him?
No, I ain't son.
Hello, good day. Your father the boat?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Your father take my niece's phone.
My father?
Yes.
My father?
Is his father? Make
Yes.
sure you get it right, you know.
My father take... Daddy!
Come on,
Daddy! Yo! Some people come out at here.
Blessed. Yo, you see that my time here? I'm a favorite show me I watch, you know. So I don't like the disturbance. But
You're watching from my niece's phone?
No, I'm a TV in the man, no right man.
Say-
But I may say now. She is a ringleader. She come in my yard, take my daughter out of the yard and road so and I wind up song them and sing round there and I go and say so I take out the phone from her because I want somebody, some guardian swear she are going with. You understand me ground for me daughter and can't go nowhere. I give one 70 hours so you can't left out of the yard. Because I don't like the
So what
tell the auntie the song where you sing say.
The song, I don't know about no.
Sing the song.
The song said, don't someone tell me where you're looking for a girl like me. That's what the song said.
Yeah, you must say
know
somebody
that
a look for one girl like she. And she a ball out. Ball out or you a ball out?
I never mean about your daughter.
So who tell her to ball out or you tell her?
I part of the song, but
So,
we couldn't
oh,
find
what?
the audio.
A slack song, them the
Slack song.
Song.
The song
Ball
no
out.
slap.
You don't know them the song the auntie?
But
You're
here
a
what?
Christian, me go church, me don't know nothing about them song. Come in at the middle, cause you love talk and me want to know the truth.
So someone somebody know what kind of influence she have for my daughter. Take my daughter out of the yard and have my corner sing about who I look for girl like
That,
she.
you have a video in your phone?
If
The video
in
na
the phone.
Sure, you're sitting there, cause be a wine up and jiggle up.
If me know how many standing in a rasta.
See it, auntie, see it. See that video here. Look how she have one.
How old you be again?
He's saying done with
Okay.
he's done with certain things. He's saying done in past certain age already. Come here, talk to her. He said, me done with them things. I'm not sing no Christian song, no Jesus fan on telephone and where. Me pass them age already. So I say, it's a bad influence. Because you're still a child, or you're gonna tell me say you're done with child things and a big things you want to take up. So me say somebody big have to come. So now they come sing it back in your phone now, but take your phone from him if you and monitor your phone when having a phone card a problem.
Oh, auntie.
Me check from one phone, you know, she not no phone again, you know. Because what them do on the phone is too much.
True, auntie.
So-
My father was a respectable man, you know. You know, and just take nobody phone just so.
Yeah man, some more you see, looking at your phone, monitoring your phone, getting password and monitoring things because he will shame you.
You gotta talk to our parents and me, I gotta deal with you. But Rasta, thank you for telling me.
Yeah man.
But one thing, you have to watch your daughter too, you know, cause them act like angel in front of
So
them
that me I
parents.
tell you, if me wanna know angel, me know. Them are rolling this one here. The two of them are
So because she a roll with me, she's an angel.
the two of them are angel, because two of them are listen, song on listen. You not sing Jesus on the telephone. You not say tell him what you need. You not sing there one day, Jesus love is a bubbling over. Hallelujah. I don't hear none of them song there.
But man, want
But man, I look for girl like
Me
you.
never did say nobody was.
Shut up! I am a Christian and you sing them the song.
Eh.
I should have me come up there.
Eh? She's a good girl, she growing in
Yeah,
the
but a
church, you
Christian
know.
before you-
She baptized and everything in the church, you know. This one is a
What? See my back and see right in front of my face there. But anyway.
I chew me know what. Thank you, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
Thank you, young
Alright,
man.
alright.
No worry, now go happen again. Move! Move!
Hello, bossy. Tomorrow? Alright, then I'll come. You may come and work tomorrow, man, but my name plan. No. Alright. Yeah.
Mommy, you said no school not keep tomorrow.
No school not keep tomorrow?
Can you come and work with you?
I can't come and work, you know. But I'm going to figure out something when I go down. I call a grandfather and ask me if he can keep you. Because I can't go. I'm not prepared. Yeah?
Yeah.
But if you didn't know the school not keep. Come.
But remember, see, something will be a quick. You'll be there.
Hello.
Daddy?
Want to go on my daughter?
What happened?
They here now.
No, say something maybe going to do for me though.
I want that now.
When my daughter now go to school tomorrow and the daycare where she always go, he now want me tomorrow, so I beg you do me a favor and come stay there for me. Favor at least 1 hour.
Alright. You know, so my granddaughter, I'm not let her down. Alright, so I will come in the morning. Where is it? 3 hours? I'm not going to
Me not do much tomorrow, but me have to go in though.
fear 3 hours sometime at 6 and 7, you know.
Daddy, me not stay long as me said before. I just something I go finish up and come back.
Alright, no worry yourself. I'm on we will link you.
Alright, then remember you know?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Hope him come in the car now, tell him to come and him come now. Hello.
Mommy, we're hungry.
You hungry? You never ask if you're hungry, then say you're hungry. Anyway, they want to eat.
Macaroni and cheese and chicken.
I said so Tino. Okay, no one eat nothing sensible. Anyways, me I go look for some of you eat, so me soon come.
Okay.
Come here. My grandfather gonna stay there, you know, and me not want to give no trouble. You hear me?
Yes.
Make sure you know, cause me know you stay. Don't give no trouble. Ma keep it till me come back from work.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, me soon come look for some of you eat, yeah, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
I'm going to go out and inside.
Alright, mama, do that.
Hello. Rasta, over here, so I want to talk to you.
Yeah, you know, sir, I want to see if I talk to you too.
What?
Sit down yourself, cause you come for a good time.
So when you see the dirty one, I give me the clean one.
Know yourself, man. So I clean
Alright.
things to you, sit down,
Me
man.
not like how me...
Yeah, me not miss. Me say so I have clean things to you, sit down, pan. In a house clean. But differently from that,
Oh, what is that? What is that?
me realize, say, you
Me not like when... Me not like how my mother and your son there. So if I go fix it, that me come to talk.
No, I said thing me I say since them a do what they want to do. Me feel say me have to do what we want to do then.
No, man, we are going to pretend. Me not want
We
to.
can actually pretend, and if we work out like we do it for real, we work. No, because so many times when I do it real, it's more effective. Come on, you understand?
But we want to do real things.
Them are the real things, you know. I hear your mama around there, you know.
Me don't even
So,
hear it.
oh.
So we are going to pretend and hear what they have to say.
And then if them still continue with the real things, make them, because we
Alright, but what do the fake things first?
Alright, no, you want to take it, we do it,
So,
yeah,
come.
because we know young people love fake things. You shake panny.
Yes.
Yeah. So, you look good though. If you're a young girl, you carry yourself good.
You're supposed to look good. You're very young and fresh.
Daddy,
Yeah.
stepdaughter.
Listen, no man.
No, I'm your stepmother.
Listen. Yes. She gonna be a stepmother for no one.
But daddy, she too young.
No, she's not too young. She's the same age like you. And your woman and me is the same age. So it's okay.
So nothing wrong. My stepson, go to the house and get me a cup of water.
I'm the one your back answer, you know, more you have respect to her.
Come, go to the house and get me a cup of water. Hurry up. Chop chop. Walk up my stepson. Hurry up.
Where your sister there?
I don't know, daddy.
You have to give her the news too, you know, because she's
No,
prime.
me
you
a
know.
stepdaughter too.
You have a stepdaughter
Oh,
too.
what's your name?
Ask your son.
What's your name?
Zoe.
Oh, Zoe. Call Zoe for me like my son draws and wash.
Well, listen me. If you don't want him burn them up in can wash, you know. She not to wash, wash your.
Oh God. Hey, I give you yourself.
Yeah, good. No, you go nice, man. You say me and you go nice. You go nice.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, my mother-in-law this?
Yes, meet your son-in-law.
Yes.
You talk. Where they do over
No, little woman alone. What you do?
Thank you, my son. Thank you, my son.
Thank you, son.
And she stepson.
Where you getting nice? Which water? You have sense.
Well,
That's why me I feel
Mommy, they no must.
Alright, we meant to
Me, they
know.
don't walk if you go for water.
Hello.
Come on, my
Alright.
stepson, get me the water.
Alright, go on inside. Go on inside. Go on
Step
inside.
with son. Oh, hello.
Go on in my room. Listen, no man, why you interrupt?
Where they go with me daughter in the house?
Is she a child?
No.
Right.
But she young.
Yes.
And you
my
too
son
old.
young too.
You too old.
But since, what you know? Me tell him already, you know, no grandpity now come.
Hello, you can't
No
do with my
more
daughter. She
people.
too young for you.
Who?
You cannot do with my daughter.
you
Hello.
can't deal with his son too young for your mommy.
Go take a
Hello.
you can your damn blast
Hello.
in it, you idiot.
You want know? You remember last time?
How big man you want to take? Eh? Oh, if you're fierce with me over there, me take this and slam off your head up this up.
Hello, what you know?
You know, you
I'm
think
so
a little
tender. Yo,
wine, fix the carrier, come here.
you do
want
a good
come
job.
take
You do a good
big
job.
man than your size, girl.
No, you do a good job. No, listen now. Young girls stretch to fit. And old lady fit to stretch. It must work out.
Okay.
So take a time, go in.
So you mean you say you go there with some kind of family from mix up.
No, mix up.
Me done there with the son already.
I
Where they
fix
go with
up.
the pooper?
Go in.
In a bed.
Here they.
Go fix up yourself. I so forward. Listen, no man. We all can live in peace, you know. It can be a big yard, you know.
Daddy, that.
You see when I run, listen now, I'm here around the yard, you know. Yes, when I run, so I do your thing, and you see you gone 10.
You're alright now, no baby. I can't go grandfather, I know the shit.
Yeah.
Hello?
Daddy?
Yeah, what go on? The road I come down, I'm near to you right now, man.
Hurry up because the time I get late and I have to go to work.
Alright, now forward, man.
Hurry up.
Mama, the funny painting me just finished.
Alright, the grandfather saying in your ear, so.
Yeah, the funny painting me just finished.
You look nice, so continue, here, continue. Don't
Maybe a few more crayon.
no, come back. Daddy?
Yeah.
May I come? Get there, baby.
Yeah, what go on, man? How many days alright to feel somebody a while ago forward, man? Oh. Where my granddaughter then? You want know today, you know? Oh, where are you? Yeah, color.
Daddy, maybe get in us.
Alright, do it, see your bag here. Left your bag.
Alright.
Alright, remember our plan coming up.
We said 3 hours, me not.
3 hours. Me eat she name
No, she
already.
not eat it.
When you go yam? I'm going to cook him.
Things on them, man.
Oh, you have these things that when you go eat?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Go get where you go eat and ready to eat. Yeah? Yes, today you're like a big somebody. So you good though?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm there with you today. Alright. My daughter go and live in a wall house, me live in a little pop down something. Oh boy. Me too.
Baby. Your grandfather.
Hello.
He's laughing.
Alright, action.
What baby your grandfather did?
Yeah, no.
So we had to watch her.
Yeah, I couldn't win a color one.
You're not taking my plate already?
But tell me down, take a little break.
Alright.
Half an hour.
You tired?
Yeah. Look what I was about to color. I'm not finished.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you want to help me?
I know I'm tired, Mom. Being asleep.
Okay.
Yeah man, I tell you.
Daddy,
Yeah.
come back. I'm tired.
Anyway. Now come move up on the way now. You're good though.
You cook?
Me not look for something for she. I well, but think I'm going to my yard. Come and tell her I'm going to my yard.
Alright, now come. Now come here, baby.
Oh, Gabi, I tell you. I tell you, say, yo, beer things are going up my yard. You see me not coming from our day? A whole heap of things are going up there.
No.
See your brother now. Why Evelyn, me see him in town. He must show me saying I have one new girlfriend when he want to show me. When you look, I want big woman. big woman all like me. Right? Or maybe all on me. So, the day they make you go on and run for a while. You understand? But me talk to them vex. Soon after that now, the mother now carry one young daughter come to them now. The young daughter see me like a, you know want it, the young daughter no want the mother there with the look with me look a son. Come and say my son look like a fear age group. So one brother mix up now, so she now come link me say she want spite her mother, so she want me and her feeling things and this and that. Me not nothing to do. Okay, you know, oh me woman them everybody gone. Everybody they are far, everybody live their life. I mean, me I want single soldier, so we just out there, we just do it. But me I tell her, be a mix up. Be a mix up.
Wait.
For your sister just a look, because them a look on the 2 away. 2 couple in the house.
Where am I 2 couple? Daddy, you
Two,
know, make
no,
sense.
because you know.
Oh, you over there with that young. Me not understand you.
Listen now. I was young when I time to, you know.
Yeah, you was young one at the time, yes.
Yeah.
But the little girl young enough to be your daughter.
No, she couldn't be that because I never know her mother. At the first, me I meet her mother now. She know well young, you know. She older than you. But for your brother, look like him no want no pick me. So I take up a big woman when no want no pick me. Right? Alright.
Yes, when I see him thing. Me can't, me not understand you know.
But anyway,
careless life.
you have to go talk to him.
For your picture, you can't talk to him. Me, I can't talk to him.
Yeah, you talk to him more. Because yeah, my same mother and same father. Though you and him malice off and no deal for years. But when I did them, when I start chat back. Anyway, me I come go up here now because you look
Just make sure you know where you are because that way you actually say I keep up. Because I don't like
no
that.
man, everything good. Don't worry about it, man. None of your business. We just show you our own jet. Yeah? Everything good. Later, my granddaughter.
Alright.
Bonito. Bonito. One. What they are, what they talking on? Yeah. When I think about up prayer yard she there, I don't see her from what she gone home, gone deal some stuff.
If she not there in the area, she's supposed to be in the
Yes.
area, you know.
I don't see her from when. What my son there? Because I tell you things that I link me from when, because I saying God, the last time I sing the time I go by your yard. But she
my
not,
yard?
yeah.
You know, say, good while now I don't see him, but maybe few days ago, maybe about 3-4 days ago.
At the said time, I don't see for your daughter same way
But me I
too.
believe say your son they up a year yard, because 2 years keep up on the argument the other day,
No,
no,
but
these
things-
two whole for your son and one
The
if
thing
a fool.
say your daughter up a your yard right now because I don't see her from when.
No. Me I look for her from when. Me see all her friends them and they ask them for her and them say they don't know which one she did. That means say look like me have to go to police station to
It's
report
not look
this.
good, man.
No.
Because I don't see my son from where they for real, you know.
So it was them just gone so listen.
One
I
day,
don't understand. All for your son can't find and my daughter can't find.
me I wonder, yo, you see that the place and I run good, you know. I wonder if they kidnap the two of them same time.
No, not say that, not say that. Not
We
say
have
that.
to go down and station and report it. Because past 24 hours.
No, it was like
We
that.
have to
Not say that.
report it.
No, maybe.
You come in, me not get
I
it.
wonder if your son's phone dead and remember say line them down.
Me I try to call the daughter, no me can't get her phone neither. So I see you now, I'm messaging somebody that gave tell her say you have to come link me. Because she tells me, what's that going on? No man, you know what? I have to go make a check out. I have to go report. I have to go report this. This is serious. I don't see my son from what day for real. But I say she up me up in your yard. I don't see your daughter, that's my woman. I don't see her from when either. I say she, everybody fit up here yard, everybody at my yard.
No, seriously, Rasta, what you do with my daughter? Because I notice that through me there with your son, you will spite me, you know. Rasta, if you kidnap my daughter, I go down and
Kidnap a daughter? No, I'm to kidnap a daughter.
yeah, my daughter,
I'm a woman.
I fear you the last year she come and do I last month this year. You're supposed to know it for
When my son there now? You talk about when my son there?
No, the way you are talking
I
about
one
your
day if you kidnap my son.
No, me not kidnap your son. Maybe you have your son up in your yard because you don't want me to deal with your
Alright,
son.
so you know say no. So maybe your daughter up your yard, you don't want me to deal with her. One day if you take out your daughter and hide the daughter, I want to place her now. Come here look for her, I can't see her.
Don't make a joke thing there, and they repeat, we rewind and they say what we I say.
But hear what? Hear what go on now? Me have your number, me go call you. Because I want to see my son and I want to see your daughter same way too. Hear what? This is serious. Because me not sleep tonight, you know. I want to serve you someplace. Because me need to know what I want.
I look for from when I know. Not even one phone call.
I go knock on some bush side, I go make you know what I want. Here, I make you know what I want.
I wonder if that man know which part my daughter they are going to tell me about. He don't know. And hide his son from me. Me think say, Red. You know, I come go down on station. They think they can trick me.
So I'm going to as they come in, you know?
Come in.
I know, Simon, you call them. This is me about my daughter, I tell you, right now a big problem. We are searching your brother for about 3 days now and can't see him, right? And yesterday night, I see the big woman, I tell her in the way. I see her and she tell me, say, she thinks, say, you understand, my son up a yard. Because I don't see her from what they need her. And I don't see my son. I don't see for my woman need her.
You call him?
I call him and I get their phone, man. So, I don't know if I don't see him coming.
Report it because this no sounds here.
I tell you, I don't know why in there. I don't get him phone from over there, man. You chat to him, you call him?
I hear from him from when.
So, my granddaughter there.
She don't there sleep.
Oh boy, I tell you. So I'm in the Paris circle, some of the ends of my house in that chill out. Check my version them.
When you see him.
When I see him, where you for them, man? Now get on the phone them. You see?
Some of the time when some of it be done, so you go just report it happen. I will serious and no can't leave nothing too careless.
I tell you right now. No, some different. So I search my phone. I try to see if my woman would text me. Try to see if I get him on your phone.
Should you answer me?
Send him one voice message or something, man. Maybe answer, you never can tell. Why not answer? Really funny, just tell him say we are check for you.
Yo, bro. Away the man. Just when you listen to the voice note, I just give a call because we are check for you, we can't hear from you, we can't see you and I report that they're going to report it. So better you just make we know see you alright. Now when they saw it and I know where you're gone. Just hurry up and message me back or even call me. If you don't want to call me, call your father, make him know see you good.
Yeah man, I want them things, man. I put me block the 7 account. Go back at the time and now still. You think me have go for my black for all the vibes?
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
I just go sleep.
I can't go more than sucker right now. What is that? See that? Tell them real story about it.
Daddy. Yeah, me there Panama, me and Kayla right now, you know. And me not think we are come back to Jamaica, you know. So here we are, you just keep the legal man we have done there and me keep Kayla over here. Me don't tell her this, me not come back to Jamaica, Panama, me there. You feel like joke me and make? Keep the big man at your size, that your age group. Me I keep Kayla my size, my age group.
But same done in Jamaica. And so we are worried about him inside that Panama. Alright. Let me see. Well, no man, you not stress me out man. But me there know some little girl gone. Me little girl gone and now. Anyway. Me will talk. Tomorrow me link you.
Alright, yeah. You never sleep.
Long me wait for this man.
Yo, what you want now?
Oh, wait take so long.
You are going now. Just figure out everything. As somebody send me the footage, look here. Now you told them that a Panama. I feel that are my son, you know.
So hold on there. So hold on. Your son,
You see
are they with my daughter? They gone for vacation in Panama.
Panama, then they see inside in the background there. As somebody
Backside.
send me it and tell me, say you're over there. So when they look for them and I say somebody kidnap them and I think the worst.
I can't believe say Kayla do this to me. Kayla really gone.
Take away your man. Take away your man.
Take away me man.
And gone.
And
On
gone.
vacation.
On vacation in Panama.
So my son take away my woman. Gone for vacation. Which I go over there go beat them bad.
No man, me ain't that. Guess what? We should have known before.
I
I remember saying no.
But me never see someone
You did
coming.
tell me, say.
But me never see the sign of that.
No, we not
Because
gonna see
them
that
go on
coming.
like they hate each other. Me
We
don't
never
know
see
how
it
that
coming.
work out. Me
Oh,
not
listen,
understand.
You have to understand, you know. Maybe Kayla take you to one sugar daddy and your son.
I want the sugar bunks
Take
off and
me.
you know.
Your son take me to the sugar mommy.
Most.
And most so fast, they must have some plan because they never used to agree and look like then they under quiet and we don't know. See they then gone from vacation but we are going to do two young people. You know what? You just have to go give up on your son and just leave him alone. Because I want my daughter to be comfortable and I don't want to break her heart. Just so make it act like a seminar to know about it and just leave her.
Well, I know me not believe when me see. Me never see it myself and somebody tell me. But that's a lie them I tell.
No,
but when me see it, me guide them on the phone, I tell iPhone, me I say no, really, this are youth are dangerous.
Kind of feel how you're still enough because I'm not telling a lie no. Me love your son but still you know. Big woman and big man thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us say no man. Me treat your son good enough, your son deal with the case proper you know.
Alright,
He can handle it you know.
Alright.
I young youth but he bad like
I
a
said,
years.
yeah, I said to myself,
Now
your
one day for
daughter.
you take off her.
Me don't know how your daughter skills so. She go on like she in the go-go club. Like a yo-yo. Me no know. Me no know. But anyway.
Yes, no bother with that because me I think
Anyway.
something right you know.
Anyway.
You know feel so what you have for head, drop on shoulder. What you think about it two away? Because if them can't do that, you know, we can't do it.
Alright, when them come by and then come back, we must get ready for marriage.
Alright.
So we are going to think about that. Come on,
Alright.
go take you out for dinner then.
Alright.
And we chat about it.
Alright.
Yeah man, burn it down to the ground man, is it? Yeah man, live and living color. We just had a banana tree you know. Yeah, nothing in life is suffering really. So we there try to survive it though. So give thanks for watching. I moved it to the end. Plenty more to come. And time will come. So I put on but wait on my face that means that things have changed. Alright. Yeah. Move to bigger things. Anyway, I look at JAMMIWOOD there. Only go. Only puss.
And stop smiling at the movie there when somebody chat to you. You look uncomfortable.
Yeah, man, and when the animal them they did that. You know what I mean? Glory be to the most I give thanks to life, but down to the ground. Respect everybody out in the world. I watch the movie thing from that time till this time. We are work for the best. I work for the best, even when I try to go less. You know what I mean? But we have some things in the pipeline coming. So stay tuned. We always say that. And always do it. And always stay tuned. So give thanks to that. You know what I mean? We don't know so with the back on the app, man. I'm going to put in some work. So tell a friend, tell a friend. Enough people see me in the street and I say, fire, go on. We're not seeing no new movie from when. Yeah, man. We're there up on JAMMIWOOD. I'm going to put in some work. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Forward through, man. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Let's go. That's not squeeze on?
Look here.
You know what should I for you?
Up here.
Oh, why not?
Look that in there.
Over there, by the
No.
$200.
You can get that squeeze on, though.
Yeah, but then don't give me strap mark.
Where's the squeeze in your hand, though?
Yeah. You can do that.
Wait. Maybe that's your, if rub up, you go squeeze your hand. You feel better now? Or not?
No.
You want to take off?
Ouch.
It's very tight on your hand. Now put it in your hand, though.
Leave me take it off and put it in back.
Alright, that's you. I'm not going to get one defense string put on it. Oh, say put on it. I say put on it. No, say put on it?
Yeah.
You put on the wrong way, man. That's you double it up. You don't feel free now. Talk the truth. You feel better now, right?
Yeah.
Because you double it a while ago. That's why it stays so. You understand?
Yeah.
Alright, you go work.
Wow.
So you're good though.
Why you go for piece by that?
You ready?
Yeah.
You enjoy yourself today though? You want to do it again? Or not Jamaica Day again?
Because Jamaica Day already come up.
So you know when the next one will come then. You love Jamaica Day?
Again.